Hello, my friends. What an amazing month it has been. I have a feeling, and I feel like I say this all the time, but it's true. We just get busier and busier with life. And sometimes there is a good possibility you might have missed one or two of our items that we released this month. So we like to do kind of like an overview video of the month. And that way you can kind of say, oh yes, got it. Whoops, need it, got it, need it. Oh, got to get that one now, that kind of stuff, right? So we started the month off with our Fold It Club. Now, if you're not in the Fold It Club, do not even look at this because you cannot get it. It is exclusive to the Fold It Club. It is the cute rain boots with the tulips. I love this one. But if you're not in the Fold It Club, you can't even get this one. So go join the Fold It Club so you don't miss out on another one, let me tell you. Now, we started off the month then on the 1st with our fireworks / firecrackers. And let me tell you, they are so much fun. I love the fireworks. They're just so cute and I love them. So I kind of go back and forth, firecrackers, fireworks. But then we also came out with this cute little heart die stamps and die set, which was really fun. Then we even, to round out everything, came out with a Liberty Bell Fold It, which is so fun. Here's two different versions of that one, which I absolutely love it. I actually, when I was a kid, got to touch the Liberty Bell, so I thought that was really special. So it's kind of just a fun thing, right? Then we also came out with our diagonal background piece it die. The piece it dies have been very, very popular because they are background dies that are just a little bit different. Don't worry, we have even more coming up in the future, but this one was really fun and very, very popular. We also came out with the Presents Edge card, A2 in size, so awesome. But do you notice that hip hip hooray? Isn't that funny? Because guess what? I personally fell so much in love with that one. I also made it a Fold It. So kind of cool, kind of fun. Hip hip hooray. You could even do the hip hip hooray on the inside of this hip hip hooray. Love it either way, right? Now, we also came out with this fun folded edge card and this folded corner card. I love this because now I know technically, yes, you could just do this on your own, right? You could fold it over, but the extra layering die that comes with it just makes it so much easier and faster, right? So check that out. Then we came out with our Card Kit Club. Now, this was the die that was in the Card Kit Club. Every Card Kit Club comes with an A1 card base. This is the one for this month. So adorable. I love it. It also came with the words Boom-tastic as a die set. I love it. Then this one flew out the door, drove out the door right away. The Golf Cart Fold It. It is coming back in stock, rest assured. If you need this one or want it ASAP, go click the Notify Me button on our website and that will give you an email when it comes back in stock. So popular. We also came out with the stamps and dies for the golf clubs and for a limited time only, the stencils as well that can go with it. We also came out with this fun crayon set, which is so fun because it holds the crayons. It's this cute little tag. You can add fun little things to have little kids color or adults, right? So fun and so adorable. I love it. We also came out with our little Peep Miller. So we had everybody else. We had Kirsten, Katie, and Liam. It's time for Miller, so now we have him. Now, if you love paper dolls as much as I do, you're going to love these slim lines. Don't worry, rest assured, more clothing and shoes coming soon. We also came out with this slimline tie, perfect for the guys in your life, perfect for Father's Day, Grandpa's, any kind of day like that, right? We also re-released this fun star background. I released this a long time ago with Sizzix. Now it's back on the Stamps of Life and look at how fun that is. I love it. We also re-released our A1 flower die. So cute, perfect for the edge of your cards or just a shaped card. And certainly not least, last but not least, yes, it's sold out also, but you can get it soon, is our milk carton die set. So cute. You can have it say moo, you can have it say milk on it, you can have cookies on the outside, you can put jelly beans on the inside, so much fun. Now, I don't want you to ever miss out on anything at the Stamps of Life. Make sure that you check out our website. Make sure you are on our email list to get emails when we release new products. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please make sure that you click the subscribe button and the little notify me bell so you get notified whenever we release a new video or when we go live. Check it out, stampsoflife.com. You know what? I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.